Hello student, we are studying chapter 1st of class 12th, electric charge and field. In previous video, I told you about method of charging. Now, today we will discuss about Coulomb's law. We have studied about the force of attraction and repulsion between the charges. If the charges are similar, there will be repulsion. If the charges are opposite, there will be attraction. But how much will be this force was initially told to us by Coulomb, and it is detailed in the Coulomb law. So what was Coulomb's law and what is Coulomb's force? Coulomb force we generally used between two charges, may be attraction or may be repulsion. Now, according to Coulomb's law, if there are two particles having a electrical charge, one particle having a magnitude charge q1 and other particle magnitude charge q2 have a some distance r. The force of attraction or repulsion between two stationary point charge is proportional to product of two charges, magnitude of the product of two charges, and second force will be anti-proportional to square of the distance between them. The force acts along line joining center of the two charges. This law is valid only point charge. Okay? यहाँ पे Coulomb's law जो है वो point charge के लिए valid होता है. What is point charge? A charge is said to be point charge. Its dimension is very small in comparison of its distance from some observation points. इसका जो चार्ज का मैग्नीट्यूड है, मैग्नीट्यूड का जो मैग्नीट्यूड इज़ वेरी लेस distance between the two charges, so this is called point charges. You have to also say zero dimension, it does not take up space. Coulomb's law valid only point charge. ये बात क्लियर होना चाहिए कि Coulomb's law जो है वो केवल पॉइंट चार्ज के लिए वैलिड है और ये चार्ज दोनों स्टेशनरी होनी चाहिए. The force of attraction of repulsion between the two stationary charge is proportional to product of charge. Now, what will be force? Force on charge q1 due to force q2 or force on q2 due to q1. तो दोनों ही यहाँ पे जो है पॉजिटिव चार्ज है तो ये एक दूसरे को रिपल करेगा और फोर्स लगेगा अलोंग द जॉइनिंग बिटवीन द टू सेंटर पॉइंट्स. पॉइंट सेंटर पॉइंट जो आप सेंटर को मिलाएंगे उसी लाइन के अलोंग फोर्स लगेगा. नाउ कंबाइन दिस इक्वेशन फर्स्ट सेकेंड. F is proportional to Q1 Q2 upon R square. We get F is equal to A Q1 Q2 upon R square. प्रोपोर्शनल को आप एलिमिनेट करेंगे तो एक कांस्टेंट टर्म यूज़ करेंगे, वो क्या है A, वेयर A इज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स कांस्टेंट और कूलाम कांस्टेंट. The value of A is depend upon nature of the medium between the two charges. ये मीडियम पे डिपेंड करेगा. In free space or vacuum, value of Coulomb constant give relation is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Value of this 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square, where epsilon naught means nothing, permittivity of free space or vacuum. Epsilon naught in free space, value of this 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb per square Newton meter square. Now we get Coulomb force F is equal to value of A is put the value of A 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. Forces unit is Newton. Okay. Thank you.